Hi, this is a video for Math 105, and I'm going to work through group worksheet for section 2.7, which is on inverse functions. A copy of this worksheet is in the other materials section of week 8. Okay, so the idea is a couple of problems where we're trying to figure out inverses. So first, what if f of x is 3x minus 1 and g of x is the quantity x plus 1 all over 3? So what happens when we compose the two? So f of g of x, again, remember that's what happens when you do g first and then plug the answer into f. So you take the outside function and you plug in g, like that. And now I can write in what g actually is, its formula. And then I simplify. Notice here the 3's cancel, and you get x plus 1 minus 1, and the 1 and minus 1 cancel, and you just get x. If I do g of x, again, notice that's what happens when you do f first and follow that by g. So now I'm taking g and plugging in f. Okay, so here where x is in g, I put f of x. And f of x is 3x minus 1. I notice here the 1's cancel off. And then the 3's cancel off. And you just get x. So when this happens, notice f composed with g of x is the same as g composed with f of x. It's always x. Then that means that g of x is the inverse of f. Okay, so now let's try it with two different functions, j and k. So if I find this is, do k first and then do j, k, I'm plugging k into j. So that's 1 over k of x plus 1, which is 1 over x minus 1 plus 1, which is 1 over x, and then minus 1 plus 1 cancels. So that's 1 over x, and that's just x. And if I do the opposite order, notice this is when you do j first, followed by k, and that's plugging j into k, right, which is formula for j. So it's 1 over x plus 1 minus 1. In order to 1 over something is just that something. So notice either way we wind up with x. So does this equal this? And the answer is yes. Okay, so using function composition to verify that two functions are inverses.